When I started my entrepreneurship journey, I put in lots of hard work to create the product of a great quality, building a website of a great content, great marketing funnel, sales funnel, whatnot. All I wanted was a best in class product, best in class website, best in class marketing funnel, and everything. Eventually, when I reached those milestones, I was very happy. I was elated. Finally, I did it. But when the time came to launch the business, even after launching the business, what I really struggled was getting the quality traffic leads to my website, to my product page. If you're watching this episode, I'm sure you are also struggling to get quality traffic or the leads to your website. Hi, I am Sunil. I'm the founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub, and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people to live their dream lifestyle. Do you know why majority of the people struggles in traffic generation? Because they do not understand certain principles. Let me give you a demonstration. What is this? This is pencil. When I drop this, what happens? It always goes down. This is called law of gravity. For each and every action we take, whether you believe it or not, there are certain fundamental principles which govern this whole universe. When you understand those principles and follow, you will be rewarded. When you go against those principles, you will be punished. Similarly, for traffic generation as well, there are certain principles which you got to understand. You might be having a great product at your disposal. You think this can change the world. You might want to promote certain products, world-class products, as an affiliate entrepreneur, as a network marketer. Or you might be a blogger, you have a great contents, and you want to generate so many traffics to your website or a blog site. But if you do not understand these fundamental principles, you will fail. So in this episode, I'm going to talk about these principles which will help you create your own traffic machine. Let's quickly get in. You must be thinking, Sunil, let's set aside all these lessons. Give me the traffic sources. I want to learn and run traffic. If you're thinking like that, you are doing a big mistake. You're thinking like everyone else. You're thinking like your competitor. If you want to win over your competitors, you want to be ahead of everyone else, and you want to dominate your space, you need to understand the rules of the game which you're playing. If you follow me, if you follow my guidelines, you will thank me later. Let me give you an example. Let's say you decide to become a professional cricket player and you go out in the middle and start hitting the ball left, right, and center. What will happen? You never understood the rule of the game of cricket. You never tried what are the shots I can play. You never practiced. What will happen? You will not be able to become a great player. You'll not be able to play in that league of players who are iconic players, right? In the similar manner, traffic also has its rules and principles. If you understand these foundational principles, what are the traffic sources you are driving your traffic from? These rules will never change. When your competitor, gurus out there who are chasing platform after platform, next big thing, what is going to be trending? Shiny objects over in the market. You and me together. We have a clear cut plan. We have a clarity about the game we are going to play. And second thing, we are not depending on any platform, right? Now, let's quickly understand what are these golden principles. There are 5 golden principles of traffic. So the first principle is never waste a visitor. When you waste a visitor, it is going to cost you a lot. How do I know? Because I have done the same mistake. And when it costed me a lot, it was not a great feeling. How do you resolve? By retargeting. By retargeting every visitors who visited your landing page. For you to quickly understand, let's go to the same workflow we designed. In this workflow, you are getting lots of visitors from different traffic sources to your landing page. Let's say there were 1,000 people who visited your landing page, and 30%, about 300 people opted into your list. That's good. However, 70%, 700 people bounced back. That means they did not opt into your list. However, you have already paid for all the 1,000 visitors to these traffic sources, isn't it? That's why it is very important you do not waste these 700 people and you retarget them. Let me give you an example. Imagine yourself, you visited Amazon website and you search for Nike black t-shirt, but you do not purchase. For some reason, you went to Facebook, okay, not to buy anything, just to see something else. However, you see the same t-shirt as an ad in Facebook. You went to Instagram, again, you see the same t-shirt in the ad. That means Amazon is following you everywhere. That means they are retargeting you. Understood? In this example, let's say hypothetically, you would have paid 100 to 120 rupees per visitor to these traffic sources. But when you do the retargeting, you might be able to do that within 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees. That how much insane the retarget is. Yeah. Now let's go back to the mind map and understand the second principle, which is quality versus cost. There are majority of the people who wants to have a cheaper traffic sources. But my recommendation is you need to go over quality of traffic versus cost of the traffic. Never go for cheaper quality because you got to go for results, not for the cost. Okay. Let me give you an example. Let's say you got 10 quality leads which costed you 1,000 per lead. That means you spent around 10,000 rupees to get those leads. But if you are able to convert 8 leads into your customers and you sold 10,000 rupees product, that means you made 80,000 rupees. But your cost was 10,000. That means 70,000 rupees profit. On the other hand, let's say you got 100 leads and you spent 5,000 rupees, but you're able to convert only 2 people. That means you made 20,000 and the cost was 5,000 and your profit is 15,000. Which one do you prefer? You're going to prefer the quality versus the cost. Okay. And the third principle is traffic follows funnels. It is not other way around. Majority of the people, what they will do is they run the traffic to their website homepage, but the visitors don't know what is next. That's why it is very important. You need to design your funnels. You need to design the customer journey. When they visit your website, their landing page, they come to your list. They come to your list. After that, they go to your sales page, sales capture system. Yeah. That's way you'll be able to monetize that particular lead. Without monetizing any lead, it is waste of their time, and your money. Yeah. Fourth principle is distinct offer wins over the product. Majority of the people, what they think is, I have a world-class product with me. It has to sell. But that is not true. It is the offer, the way you differentiate yourself with your offer is going to win over your product. Yeah. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want to sell this particular smartphone or I'm going to sell this mouse. There are hundreds, thousands of people who are selling the same product. Only few will sell like crazy, but majority will fail because they don't understand this particular principle. It is how to differentiate from the rest, which is going to determine your success. Yeah. So it is distinct offer, which is going to win over the product itself. And the last but not the least, mastering one traffic source is better than knowing multiple traffic sources. Majority, including your competitor, thinks that let me run traffic from everywhere, all the traffic sources. But you got to understand Not all traffic sources are equal. Not all traffic sources are suitable for your product or services. You may be running traffic from Google, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, but demographics is going to be changed. Quality of traffic is going to be changed. Your target market is going to be changed. That's why you got to do the split test, do the test, research and everything and come to a conclusion. This is the traffic source which is giving ultimate benefit to me, ultimate conversion to me, so that I am going to master that particular traffic rather knowing all the traffic, which is not going to benefit you at all. Okay, now let's just recap. So the first golden principle is never waste a visitor. The second golden principle is go for quality traffic versus cheaper traffic sources. And the third golden principle is traffic follows funnels. That means you need to design your customer journey before running your traffic. The fourth one is distinct offer wins over the product. How differentiate you are, how differently you are positioning yourself in the market. You got to think about it. Yeah. And the last golden principle is mastering one traffic source is better than knowing multiple traffic sources. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found this episode useful and know you're completely equipped to create your own traffic machine. Before we wind up, I want to say something very, very important. Don't be at the mercy of any platform or a traffic source, because you never know, tomorrow they might change their policies or algorithm. When you're at the mercy of someone, you are vulnerable. If you really want to know how I built my traffic machine within 48 hours, I walk you through step-by-step process, which is generating consistently thousands of leads every day. You can find the access link in the description. Also, if you are someone who really want to build a super profitable online business, we are hosting a masterclass. This is a 3-hour webinar. You can find the link to register yourself for that masterclass in the description. I'm really looking forward to meet you live. Until we meet next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.